Today we are present at the Mava Studios complex where a beautiful exhibition of furniture has been put on. Today the inauguration of 7th Fashion and Design Week has been conducted and several auspicious guests have arrived. We will take a look at the designs from the exhibition and also talk to the faculty and the students there. So we are present at the Mava Studios where the furniture exhibition has been put on by the students of interior designing. So let's ask the students how they have contributed in the event and what is the enthusiasm of the students. So hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Khushi.
Okay, so what's your furniture you're displaying about and which country is it belong to?
So my furniture is inspired from Morocco country, the Moroccan country, and Moroccan country has almost 99% of Muslim people. So my furniture is inspired by the mihrab. Mihrab is the arch that is represented in mosques. So my furniture is representing that. In the mirror, you can see the mihrab and here also.
And so how has the enthusiasm been of all the students that have displayed and all the teachers?
It's been very amazing. Every teacher has been very supportive and every student is very excited to exhibit their furnitures for the very first time.
What is your name?
अभिलाषा पोखरिया। मेरा डिज़ाइन उज़्बेकिस्तान कंट्री है मेरी, तो मैंने 3 चीज़ों को लेके वहाँ से इंस्पायर होके डिज़ाइन बनाया है। ये एक बुक शेल्फ विथ स्टोरेज है। तो जो मेरी क्लाइंट है उनके अकॉर्डिंग उनको चाहिए था एक मूवेबल बुक शेल्फ जो उनके लिविंग रूम के लिए और बेडरूम के लिए वो शिफ्ट कर सकें इजीली। सो जो इसका डोम जैसे आप देख सकते हो, ये वाला मैंने एक बीबी खानम मॉस्क है वहाँ से इंस्पायर हुई हूँ। और जो इसका बीच का पार्ट है वो मोज़ेक आर्ट जो वहाँ का कल्चरल आर्ट है, तो वो चीज़ है। और जो कारपेट वीविंग है वहाँ बहुत फेमस है। तो इन 3 चीज़ों को ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है उज़्बेकिस्तान का कल्चर।
Hi.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Meghna.
Okay, so what is your design about and which country does it belong to?
Actually, my country is Ireland and it has been inspired by 3 things. That is Celtic knots, the flora and the fauna. The fauna I have been taken is the national flower of Ireland, and the fauna I have been taken is a native animal of Ireland, that is red fox. So I have been used red fox legs as in a console table. It's basically a console table. So it's a Celtic knot. It denotes friendship and trust, loyalty. So actually you can see that it doesn't have any end. It is continuous. So it is a Celtic knot, and that I have been carved. That is a national flag, a national flower of an Ireland, and the red fox legs.
And the whole event, how has the participation and enthusiasm been?
Yeah, it was good.
Okay.
Yeah, teachers were most inspired and they were just encouraging us. And most of the international judges has been came, like from Italy, from Iran. Yeah, it was good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So what is your name?
Kritika Singh.
Okay, so what is your design inspired by and which country does it belong to?
माई कंट्री इज़ स्लोवाकिया एंड इसका जो डिज़ाइन है वो ओरावा कैसल से इंस्पायर्ड होकर बनाया है, जो उसका वॉच टावर है। बिकॉज स्लोवाकिया में बहुत ज़्यादा कैसल्स हैं, वहाँ पे मतलब पूरी कंट्रीज़ में काफ़ी कैसल्स हैं, तो वो उसकी हिस्ट्री है स्लोवाकिया की। दैट्स वाई ये हमने जो इसका ये जो मेनली इसका ऊपर का लिया है और ये जो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है वो पूरा कैसल के वॉच टावर से इंस्पायर होकर बनाया है। एंड ये बार टेबल बनाया है वो इसलिए क्योंकि वहाँ के लोग मोस्टली ड्रिंक करना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं।
Camera person Dipankar Bajpai, I Lakshya Singla for AFT 24/7 Noida.